Okay. In this video, we will discuss about the 20 best video editing software for Windows in 2023. In the digital landscape, the video design permission the creator videos for the YouTube and Vidmora to create a snaps on TikTok, Instagram, Reel, everyone they will to content creation whereas you are longer jump to the video editing but feel overwhelmed by the wet area of the video editing. The last thing you want to invest time in the wrong software. Don't worry, we have worked the long work for you and compile a list of the best video editing software currently on the market. With guide, you start turning your video editing software, spending a time you will reserve each option of the feature upon on con recommendation skill set and provide a evidence snaps of the three video editing apps. The first one, which is essential for the three top video editing software. The first one is Power Director Essential, best overall, designed for the beginner and professional. Like Power Director is the best video editing software in the market. It's easy to learn and feature and turns tons of effects able to video with AI assistant tool in no time. Learn, download from Mac, secure, download from Apple Store or Mac iOS. Resolve best Devek Resolve, the best for the expert. Ever Resolve is the video editing for PC and Mac and Linux for the professional and expert to edit videos with advanced feature at no cost. Detailed overview. Blender. Blender is the best animation. Blender is a free video editing software, 3D animation and composition tool which recommended the video editor for the PC for professional and advanced users. How to choose the video editing app? Your experience level. Do you want based learning to edit video with software that does not fit for your project? Are below the several factors that you should consider before uh, choosing the free video editing software and most of the suitable for your experience level. Free video editing software on out list cover every one that take time to edit or experience professionally. If you are a beginner, make sure video template and guide editor. If you more advanced user, choose the video editing with more professional tools and manually control for the precise and editing system required. Obviously, you need a video editor for PC that work with your OS, but you should check the system requirement to make sure your PC has enough RAM and CPU not only to download but video lack of reason. If you have more PC, don't worry. Some free video editing software on the list with low requirement permitting support. How to test the free video editing software on the list. The first one is the 23 best video editing app for PC. First one is Power Director. Power Director is a tool on the Skip user-friendly software simply easily for the video editor verification for the stock comprehensive feature set it offers and the feature for basic and advanced feature break regular update the software receive a regular update with new feature and the key feature also the key feature loyalty